Hi friends, I am Dr. Vinay Kumar. Here I am once again with yet another video. And today I would like to talk to you about creative thinking. The creative thinking is very essential because in this competitive world, we have to think something differently to survive. We all have the power of thinking, and that makes us superior to all the other animals. And some of you may argue, no, the animals sometimes they think better than us. For example, dogs. Dogs are able to even catch the thieves, the culprits, the robbers, and even dogs are recruited to the bomb squad in the police department nowadays. So naturally, they have more sense than us. But the only thing is that those dogs and all the other animals are trained by us. It is trained by the brains of the human beings. So we have a slight edge over the animals in that regard. And this is a competitive world. If you don't think differently, there is less chance for you to survive in this world. And so each one of us will have to start thinking something different. You have to shine in this world only because of your unique way of thinking. You should be something creative. You should be something different. So nowadays, all the schools, they have creative thinking classes. So one of the days in the recent past, I went to one of the classrooms to have a creative thinking class. And we started talking, we started interacting, the student and I. We started interacting, and then in between I just asked a question. Is there anybody who can draw a rectangle with 3 lines? A rectangle with 3 lines. And immediately the student started telling, no, we cannot, because the rectangle has 4 lines, 4 sides. So there should be 4 lines. Funny. But again I repeated, children, please think. You will be able to do it if you keep trying. Sometimes you will be able to do it. I repeat my question, draw a rectangle with 3 lines. So they started trying, but unfortunately nobody was able to do it. And at the end, when they gave up, then I went to the board and I drew a rectangle with 3 lines. And this was the drawing that I had. And they all laughed. They all laughed, telling that that was a joke. I told, yes, it was a joke. But you did not listen to my words. I told rectangle with 3 lines. And so they all laughed at this joke. And then suddenly I became very serious, and then I asked them, now children, my next question is this. Can you draw a triangle using 2 lines? This time I was very specific to use the word using, not with. And I told them also, this is a serious question. I want you to draw a triangle using just 2 lines. And again the children started asking, sir, triangle has 3 sides. How can you draw? Then I told them, see, suppose you think in a different way, in a unique way, I think you will be able to do it. And everybody started trying to draw various triangles. This triangle and that triangle, various triangles they started drawing. And I kept watching. Yes, some were really very, very funny. And then after about 10 minutes, there was one girl who came up with a triangle, and she had used only 2 lines. And that was creativity actually. That was really creativity. So she brought that paper to me and showed, sir, I drew the triangle using only 2 lines. And she showed me the paper. And it was a perfect triangle using just 2 lines. This was that. Very tricky, isn't it? What she had done was, she used the edge of the paper as the base of the triangle. She used only 2 lines. She used 2 lines and used the edge of the paper as the base of the triangle. So in fact she drew only 2 lines. So my question was, draw a triangle using 2 lines. That was perfect. So everybody clapped for that girl, and there was one boy who stood up and told, "Sir, if this is the answer, then I can draw the triangle using only 1 line." And all were amazed, because this girl struggled to draw a triangle using 2 lines, and here is a boy telling he could draw the triangle using just 1 line. Yeah, I told, yes, I appreciate it. Very good. If you can do that one, very good. We all will give you a nice clapping. We will appreciate you. Come on, try to do it. And I told that if you know to do it, just wait, let others try. And when the others are trying, and if they fail, then you show them how to draw it. And then everybody tried. Time went by, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. When everybody gave up, this boy brought his paper. "Sir, here is the triangle. I used only 1 line to draw this triangle." And he showed me that paper. You see? A perfect triangle. And he has used only 1 line. Just because that girl used the edge as a base, he suddenly started thinking, why cannot I use both the edges? And he used both the edges of the paper as 2 sides, and he drew only 1 line. He used 1 line to create a triangle. Very, very, very tricky. And that is what I call it as creative thinking. If at that age, if a student is able to think differently, then he is going to be a genius in the future. Not only he, anybody who thinks that way is going to be a genius. And this is what we have to make. I request all the teachers, please encourage your children to think. Let them think. A teacher's duty is not teaching what is in the textbook, just delivering what is in the textbook, the facts and figures. That's not the only work of the teacher. A teacher's job is to make the child think. Let them think. When you finish a lesson, you don't give them the question answers, ready-made question and answers. You ask the question, and you can go 1 step ahead also. You ask the children to create questions, and that is making them creative, making them think. Once they start thinking, they are going to improve. They are going to think, they are going to think, they are going to think, and that will make them better human beings. And after all, God has given us brain for us to think and take a decision, and that decision making comes from thinking. So make the children think, make the students think, let them think, so that we are going to make better human beings. Have creative thinking. Keep on watching my video. You will get better tips than this one also. Subscribe to my channel so that you will not be missing any of the videos. Bye. Take care.